All right. So I am on my way to go meet somebody else that lives in their Tesla. I haven't met anybody else that lives in their Tesla yet, so this will be the first time. All right, we've just pulled up to the supercharger, trying not to hit people. Not seeing any white Model X's yet. We beat him somehow. He's off buying an induction pan right now. Oh, you are so dirty. Okay, I just kind of wiped down everything real quick because it was super dusty, and I know he's about to be recording everything. But I actually see him right now, so I'm gonna go sneak up on him.
I make it so good quality. Everything gets repainted, and
What's up?
hey, this is the guy with the.
This sub trunk down here, just like mine, but his goes way back here. Like, that is insane. And then he's got enough room for an extra battery and whatever else he's got going on. His water tank,
Yeah, bro, like
little camera gear.
So this is basically
Your closet.
my closet, but it goes far deep, dude. Like, that's pretty deep.
Damn, yeah.
Yeah, man.
And then he just upgraded and added this to his system for the induction stove.
Yep.
And have you used it a lot?
Oh, I've only used the toaster yet. I haven't
Okay.
really cooked yet. But that's a 1 kilowatt-hour battery pack.
And then how long does that take to charge up with the AC charger?
AC, like 3 to 4 hours.
3 to 4
In a
hours.
regular outlet, it's about an hour.
Nice.
So I can go to Planet Fitness if it's empty. Just put it in the locker, run an extension. No, bro, I've
They
done
let
that.
you do that?
No.
Oh.
We walk in with a big backpack and they don't care. They don't know because it's in the locker. And then I'll
That's
come back
true.
end of the day.
That
And I learned
works.
that trick from other.
Oh, nice.
members.
That's smart.
Yeah, and I got my battery, my Apple. Oh, if you want lighters,
Nice.
if you need lighters for your. Yeah, man.
That's sweet. Can you pull that blanket on? I'm just curious on how far back it goes. Like, comparing sizes.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Mine doesn't have that extra
No, it's
in like that. That's sweet.
It's deep, dude.
Wow.
So that's why I wanted the 5-seater, because with the 6-seater.
It doesn't have it,
No, it
the
doesn't.
seats take up that space.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it's,
That's sweet.
No, I did.
Yeah.
I actually watched it twice.
Look at that. He's got like the whole side of the car open. That's insane.
And then these fold down flat.
Oh,
this is
okay.
flat.
Nice. So that's flat. You have the under storage too.
Dude, it's massive. Like,
Wow.
I have like my suit. I have dancing shoes for tango. I got my speaker that I never used. And then, you know what this is for, right?
For your pee.
Yeah. Haven't used it yet, but in case it's raining out and like.
And you have nowhere else to go. You better get a bigger bottle. That's what I can suggest.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is dirty.
That's probably.
I literally washed it yesterday.
The babe. Yo, you don't even see them. Oh, I'm sorry. This is their.
Yeah, they're. It's okay, girls. It's okay.
So this is Sandro.
What is this is the Model S. I also live in my car, just like Sandro does. Stay.
Can I say hi?
Yeah, Zoe's real friendly.
Oh my goodness, so cute, man.
This man is being the best host right now because I'm a guest to his space, and he's offered some toast and all these different vegetarian things.
Yeah, some prosciutto with some lentils, with some hummus. This is new for me. Never had it before. Picked it up yesterday. Yeah, I gotta be a good host when I host people, right? Yeah, bro. So I don't have plates, so I just eat off here usually, or like.
Nice.
So I'll just grab.
You gotta keep it minimal whenever.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Okay, so we are on our way to a campground area Sandro is right behind me, so we'll be there in like 30 minutes. Charged up all the way, so get there with 83% charge. Pretty sweet, pretty easy, and then it'll be a vibe. Pretty chill dude. All right, so we found the end of the road for this road that we went on, and it seems like that'll be a good spot to camp. The signs say no parking, but you know, there's probably nobody actually coming out here to check on us, so it's not really gonna matter. Hopefully, or we're gonna get $1,000 fine, or just asked to leave. Hopefully, it's the asked to leave if anything does happen.
Well, you can always ask for forgiveness, right?
That too. We'll have to put on our pretty girl eyes and be like, officer, no.
But if we go down the road again, there was like a couple spots where it's, I don't know, I don't is this a state park?
Yeah, I think this was like state park area grounds from the signs I was seeing. But we're gonna go and hike up the closed road.
Well, actually, we're gonna follow Zoe. She's already up there.
Yeah, she'll make circles around us. And then check that out, and then tour each other's setups, probably cook some really amazing dinner. He was telling me that he can make falafel. I don't really know what that is, but hopefully it doesn't make me feel awful.
Nope.
All right, so we are back from the hike, which was a pretty nice spot. We ran into a snake, and I saw some salamanders, and I climbed up the not a mountain, but a pretty nice sized tree, like a bear. This man, I gave him the camera, and he didn't press record. Like, the cameraman has one job, and he missed the shot.
Am I fired?
But he's over here making up some toast, and he's got an induction stove.
I just forgot my phone. That's just me.
That's the man in you.
It took up too much space.
Hey man, there's instructions.
Fire.
All right, me and Sandro just got kicked out of this amazing spot that we thought we were gonna be golden on. Apparently this road is closed. Apparently there's a sign right in the middle, which is not true. Whenever we drove past the sign, it was far off to the side, but there was some side road work being done, so maybe those workers just moved it over, is my thoughts. But anyway, we were clear to go by at that time, but we got kicked out by the peace officer. So we're gonna go ahead and head back towards Highway Warren and try to find a pull-off that looks big enough for both of us to hang out at. It doesn't sound the best because the road noise on highways is never fun at night, but I mean, it's gonna just have to be what it's gonna have to be. First time getting kicked out with Sandro. So there's the sign, right? It was off to the side earlier. It was not right there. And then the second thing is, there's a van in there that's totally camping, and like, why didn't they get kicked out? So I think that we kind of got targeted because we're in Teslas, and what I've noticed is people that work for the state, they make less money, so they can't afford a Tesla. So I feel like they target Teslas a little bit more. Okay, cool.
Camera, bro.
All right, so we have found a spot now. Not the best spot. We tried to find another spot, but it was in a state park that said everything was closed, basically. So went ahead and just got this little pull off next to the road, and Sandro has got his bed set up now, which is a lot different than mine since he is a solo traveler, doesn't have 2 dogs, so he doesn't need as much space, but he has more space than me, and it's actually insane. Like, this falcon door and just the raised height of the cabin itself is amazing. Like, look at this. Whenever I get in here, first of all, my feet are able to go all the way to the end, and I'm not hitting the tailgate, like, with any issues. Or the trunk. And then up here, I've got plenty of headroom. Like, look at this. I can sit all the way up. Yes, the door is open right now, so it's a little bit of a different story, but I can't do that in my S.
Yeah, bro, I'm not that fancy with coffee. So,
I'm just like starting the next morning right now. It's like a scene. Yeah, because just gotta continue the story. All right, so it's day 2 of hanging out with another Tesla owner that lives in his Tesla, and today he's actually giving me a great opportunity, which is to drive it a little bit.
well, welcome to Beluga.
From what I've learned is that I just get to press the brake. Oh man, that is an alien. That's AI is gonna take over. Look at his thing up here. It's like sitting up here instead of right here. That's different. All right, got a yoke. This is so much different. This is weird. All right, so we are press to reverse. Oh, press gas to reverse? What? It just automatically knows.
Oh, yo, look at this.
Alright, so we went for a nice little hike this morning after he showed me his X and let me drive it. The yoke was kind of weird, but I'm sure after a little bit of getting used to, it'd be pretty sweet. It looks real nice. But anyway, went ahead and went for that little hike, and he's like, I don't have any food, so we're heading into town now and grabbing some tofu and whatever else we need. Alright, so we plugged in. My car's charging because his Tesla is newer, so it actually charges in like 20 minutes. So we're gonna go to the grocery store together. I'm getting a lift though. Man, no hands.
Wait, you're supposed to put your thumb up. No.
Oh, I get it now. this man is a jokester, and all his jokes go over my head.
Freedom is a choice, and yet so many people decide not to be free. I'm a free bird, and I can think freely. They think we're crazy.
All right, all charged up, 97%. So time to head to the beach, and then I think we found a new spot to camp out for tonight. So it should be a good time. I'll see y'all at the beach. We're gonna cook out, and dogs are gonna enjoy the water. So it should be a good time. Oh God! My bad. Are you okay?
What the fuck, bro? You okay?
I jumped and I jumped too far, so I had to like fall so I didn't hit you. I found our dinner. It's chilling right there along the rocks. I already grabbed a few. Some good old mussels. Haven't had them in like a month. I am actually really excited. Last time I ate these, it was an interesting flavor, but a very amazing result on body energy. We just met this super chill dude named Aiden. He's in this Subaru next to us. He was just getting done surfing, but I'm prepping the mussels, and he's making his tofu. And then I made these bouillon. I don't know how to say it. It's way out of my league. But we've got our food all cooked up. Right now I've got my mussels and whatever you call that. But Aiden actually ended up bringing us over some seaweed, and they're having it with tofu now. What do you think of the seaweed?
Good. Sorry. I was really addicted. Sorry.
We are all done at the beach. Now we're gonna go try and find a place to camp out for tonight. Hopefully we don't get kicked out again. It's pretty late in the day, already 7:44 p.m. So we will see. It is like 9:30 now, so it took us about an hour or 2 hours to find this spot. We ended up finding it, but it's dark now, so no real good footage. But I'll see y'all in the morning. We got a little bit of rain coming down, but I'm making us some pancakes right now. They're like some weird Reese's Puffs. Goodbye. All right, back to solo traveling with just me and the dogs. That was a nice time, much needed socialization. Nice making a new friend, and hopefully he keeps on bulldozing. But I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.